How to set up your email signature in IncrediMail. This tutorial assumes you've already launched IncrediMail. To set up a signature, start by composing an email. Click the right icon here. Then click the signature icon. With IncrediMail, not only can you type in a signature, but you can draw one as well. Let's draw our name in the box with the pencil tool. You can add your signature by typing in the following box. When finished, click the Save button. Give your signature a name, then click OK. That's it! The signature has been set up and is now easily added to any email we want to send. To add your signature, simply click the signature icon here. Then select your signature from the drop-down menu. The signature is added to your email message. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to set up an email signature in IncrediMail.